So I just got news that our roof structure has been approved by the engineer. That is great news because that was a major part of what we needed to get right to occupy. Now we're seeing the fire chief at the end of the week, and there's some structural things we need to finish for the foyer. We've paid for some of the labor and the actual foyer, and we need to like raise funds for the final doors and things like that. So the fire phase that we're doing, we've got the pipes already. We're going to be digging to get the pipes there for the fire hydrants. There's a fire chief cost involved. So whatever the Lord helps you to do, this next 2 weeks are critical for us to really move forward and keep the momentum going in the building. So occupy and conquer time, and I wanted to share the good news with our friends and our partners around the world. And Harvester Cape Town, you guys are champions. Let's keep going. Let's get ready for that Good Friday. And also, we're doing the tiling for the stoop starting today. So amazing. Thank you, Jesus. Occupy and conquer. Let's go.